Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to everyone. It is an honor to join you today on the 20th anniversary of the World Camps. As a worldwide youth organization, the International Youth Fellowship continues to inspire hope through social service activities across countries. Your focus on leadership, development, and language learning is commendable. I'm informed that there are a large number of delegates from various destinations across the world who are following this event online. To all of you, I say Akwaba, which is the word of welcome in Ghana. This summit offers a unique opportunity for young participants to learn from people of diverse backgrounds and to brainstorm ideas for youth development and empowerment. I am delighted to learn that this 20th anniversary event has been organized in conjunction with Ghana's Ministry of Youth and Sports and the National Youth Authority in a bid to implement sustainable programs for youth development. Youth development is an issue that requires attention worldwide, and particularly in Africa. Africa is touted as the world's youngest continent, with 60% of the population in the youth bracket. This opportunity must be harnessed for growth and development. The development of the youth is an issue that is dear to me personally because, just like many of you, I believe in the power, creativity, and dynamism of our youth for development and enhancement. On behalf of His Excellency, the President of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, I wish to thank the International Youth Fellowship and her partners for the efforts that have led to the process of organizing this event. May I wish that we continue together to build on the foundations of previous years and reach greater heights for the benefit of all our young people. Finally, I wish to express my deep thanks to the founder and chief advisor of the International Youth Fellowship, Reverend Dr. Oksuk Park, and Gracias Choir for their distinguished patronage. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish all of you an active, fruitful discussions and joyful moments on your 20th anniversary. God bless all of us.